Today I am super excited to show you this product. This Havato Espresso machine brings cafe, quality coffee into your kitchen.
Everything comes really well packed. I was really impressed by the quality of this coffee machine. It has a sleek design with an intelligent LED display that shows extraction pressure, temperature, and brewing time, making it really easy to use. Imagine having your own personal cafe at home. Espressos, cappuccinos, lattes, everything. With a 20 bar pressure system and a commercial portafilter, it extracts efficiently and quickly. You can choose between a single or double shot, and even switch between hot coffee or cold brew with one touch. This is my favorite part. The powerful steam one makes dense, velvety foam, perfect for lattes, cappuccinos, or macchiatos. It even has a cup warming function and automatically enters sleep mode after 25 minutes, saving energy and keeping it safe. The flavor is smooth, rich, and just like my favorite cafe. It's easy to operate, stylish, and versatile. I definitely recommend it if you want barista quality coffee at home. This new find has made me so happy. Totally recommend it.